Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best brow shadow you'll find on the market, the Palladio Brow Powder for eyebrows in dark brown. If you're looking for a product that not only shapes and defines your brows but also nourishes them, this might just be your new holy grail. The Palladio Brow Powder is thoughtfully designed for anyone who wants natural-looking, soft, and well-defined eyebrows without a lot of fuss. It comes in a compact size that's perfect for tossing into your purse or travel bag, so you can keep your brows on point wherever you go. Plus, it includes an angled applicator brush, making application easy and precise whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out. What sets this brow powder apart is its unique formulation. It's infused with nourishing ingredients like jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. This means while you're filling in your brows, you're also conditioning and caring for the delicate skin and hairs around your eyes. It gives you that perfect balance between makeup and skincare, something not every brow product offers. Using the product is simple. You select a shade that matches your natural hair color, or go slightly lighter for a softer look. Then, with the angled brush, you gently dip into the powder and tap off any excess before applying it to your brows. This technique helps create a flawless finish that enhances your natural brow shape without looking harsh or overdone. On top of the great ingredients and easy application, Palladio commits to clean beauty. Their products are free from parabens and cruelty-free, certified by Leaping Bunny, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Plus, they use botanical infusions like aloe, camellia, and chamomile, which work to keep the skin moisturized and healthy. The finish of this brow powder is matte, which is ideal for those who prefer a natural brow look without any shimmer or shine. It's also long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. Whether you have light, medium, or dark brows, this powder provides buildable coverage that suits a variety of hair colors and styles. In summary, Palladio's brow powder is a standout product because it offers more than just color. It nourishes, conditions, and enhances your brows with a natural matte finish and easy application. The compact size and included brush make it travel-friendly and convenient for everyday use. If you want a brow product that combines beauty, skincare, and ethical standards, this is definitely worth trying. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more honest product insights, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.